There won't be nobody to stop us, 'cause we'll already have you dead. Dead and buried. What?
Well, I don't go no street, no smacking with a beat goes whacking and the sound I'm checking into a hotel. I'll stroll no more outlaws in town, they ran their clan. Well, I don't go no street, no smacking with a beat goes whacking and the sound I'm checking. Defending walls, swinging doors, western trolls, here we go. It's a drum, pick a straw, one's dead, one's head getting shot. Listen, not there'll be red dogs of men. Laces, 10 paces, covered faces, taking places, watching fight, it's a duel by the horse, but of course I don't go no street, no smacking with a beat goes rocking and the sound I'm checking. By the time the day is done, you can find a dead someone. By the time the day is done, you can find a dead someone.
It's the Special K breakfast.
Will it make me lose weight?
No.
Oh.
All around you hear the sound, gunshot, headshot, blown away by the way. I don't go no street, no smacking with I don't go no street, no smacking with a
Free yourself of old fashioned ideas. Free yourself of old fashioned ideas. Free yourself of old fashioned ideas. Free yourself of old fashioned ideas.
I've been out with my friends today, a couple of buddies, and we've been flying some drones or multicopters and testing out some new parameters and some new controllers and radios and telemetry and stuff. What kind of EDC knife do I carry when I'm out with those kind of fellas, because everything tends to get broken, so we need a sturdy, stout little fellow, and here it is. This is the Quartermaster QTR 1 M Murdock. Look at this size, that fat little blade, man. I love this one. It runs the orb pivot system. It's a proprietary pivot system, but it really rocks. You can flick it open with your FU finger, you know, like a Spidey. It's so smooth. Just look at the centering here. So perfect centered. You can flick it open with your thumb. My favorite kind of flicking style is the FU finger right here. Just perfect. You can even, you can even open it up just with the thumb on the big fat chimpings right here. Look at the blade size. Okay, I'm quickly gonna give it a spec here. The blade length is about 2.750 inch. That's 6.5 centimeter, and the blade thickness is about 0.1875 inch, which is 5 millimeter. Look at those jimpings. I like those a lot. It has a subliminal frame lock. Comes with G10 scales. It has a drop point style. I got the one without serrations at all. Has a deep carry pocket clip. I like this one. A lot of people say it's too stout. I like a stout and sturdy knife. This one can certainly take a beating, and the pivot system, although it's proprietary, I love it. And look at the centering. It's about 50% right there, straight in the middle, and it's so smooth. It flicks so utterly smooth. Overall length is 5.875 inch. It's a small knife. Like to carry it in the briefcase. Quartermaster produced this in limited editions. This one is number 96. out of 300. I don't know how many batches they're gonna run on them. This is my only quartermaster knife, but it's a really cool knife. So yeah, that's what I had on me today. That's my EDC knife, the Quartermaster QTR1 M Murdock. If you like, oh, it feels so good in the hand, man. I cannot lie. And it's super sharp. It runs the CPM 154 steel. Not much I can say about that, other than it's a popular version of the 154 CM stainless steel. So this steel is supposed to offer the knife makers better hardness, improved toughness, grindability, and better polishing results. And it also offers better corrosion resistance, edge retention, and more toughness than 440C steel, for example. Anyway, one more thing. I had a conversation with Norwegian Bushcraft, and I asked him where he got a hold of his JoJo fishing snare, or yeah. And in the real Norwegian style, he just said, well, I got one extra, give me your address and I'll send you one. And I've been on traveling, and this is what was in the mail when I got back home. It's pretty cool. I'm an impatient kind of guy, and fishing is not my my strong side, so this one is gonna help me when I put up my tent and go out and do other stuff. I just took this up in the river or the water, looking for some trotta, of course. I hope this one will give me some trotta while I do some other stuff. Put the hook in the worm on there, put it out, and you can see you have this one right there. You know, put out as much line as you like, and you can see you have this stopper right there, and you hang this up in a tree, for instance, put it by the river or in the water or lake, and when the fish hooks, it pops off and it just snares the one in. So I'm definitely looking forward to testing this one out. This one mechanical Fisher CO Diamond mechanical, Diamond City Park. Yeah, I have seen this one on YouTube. So Norwegian Bushcraft, just big thank you, and for my subscribers and everybody else that watches this video, go check out Norwegian Bushcraft's YouTube video. I'll give the description field in the link below. So that's all from me today, folks. I hope you like the aerial footage I gave you start of this video. Let me know if you didn't, or let me know if you did. I hope to do some more drone videos and yeah, see what other knives I got in my pocket. So this is the knife I had today, the Quartermaster QTR1 M Murdock. Have a splendid day, YouTube, and stay out of trouble. Hooah!